wellness without getting bored. Have heaps of fun, get healthy, lose weight, and feel awesome.
Now, let's get to it. Fast. The handlebars. Basically, I just said it before, there is literally hundreds of exercises you can do. I'm not going to show you one by one because that's just going to mean that you're going to just changing the exercises is not going to help us. I just want you to explain, I want to explain to you that how correctly to do it, how correctly do it, how to control your body, what is important when you're using this. And basically then, after that, you can do whatever you want. It's like the jumping. Do the basic rules, pay attention, if you use your common sense, everything is possible. It doesn't really matter if you're going to work with your upper body or if you're going to work with your legs or whatever. Guys, every exercise that you can think of on the trampoline is possible basically to do it with this. Okay? Like we practice it. You can even box. You can just make the short move. Guys, be careful. If it's fast, it has to be short move. Never use it and make fast, long moves. If you're going to do it, it has to be quick. If you want to work with your with the trapeze, or if you want to do biceps, every time think about it's always going to be more effective if you're going to do it slowly. Fast move won't help. Slowly, then you can control it. And basically, the most important thing, doesn't really matter what you do. But every time you're going to be standing up, and then you're going to do, I don't know, whatever, shoulders, or whatever. Important is the position of your body. Engage the core at full maximum. So what you need to do, guys, every time when you stand on the trampoline, stand on the whole foot. Try to stand on like you need to feel this part of your foot, this one, and then put the foot on the outside of your foot. So basically you're going to be standing like this. Okay, you need to feel you're standing a little bit more on the outside of your foot. Now, basically move your weight just a little bit on the front part of your foot. But still, even if you do down the squat, you will see your back up. You're not going to move your weight back. You're still going to kind of like, it's almost like you're about to fall forward. And in this position, you can do basically whatever you want to do with this. Once you have the right position and you engage the core at the full potential, so more on the front foot, on the outer side of the sole, and then basically you can do whatever you want. Whatever you want. It can be just biceps, whatever. If I turn around, I can go for triceps, but still I'm going to have this same position. A little bit on the toes, not on the heels. A little bit on the toes, and activate my core. In this position, you're activating the core as much as possible. That way your stability, your body is stable, you can do whatever you want. Again, you can do triceps. If you need to, you can move a little bit back. I don't care, you can do triceps. You can do biceps, you can do shoulders, you can do squats. Guys, there's a ton of things you can basically do. You can even do the squats. You can make it easier. You can make it extra hard. Just remember the position of your body. And don't put the weight on the heels. On the whole foot, a little bit more on the foot. Then go down and up. And then you can do whatever you want. Guys, remember one thing. Every time when it's too short, for example for guys, when it's too easy, you can always go extra around. Or 3 times around, I don't care. Just make it 1 time. Okay, always give them an option to make it harder or easier. And again, if I'm gonna, you know what, everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. Now, there is a, really, again, once you have the right position, you do whatever you want, because there isn't a wrong exercise. You cannot come to me, and if I'm going to ask you, please show me something when you're going to use, I don't know, your shoulders, or show me something when you're going to use your biceps. If you come to me and you're going to show me something, there is no way that you're going to do some stupid exercise. What's going to happen, maybe, is that you're going to do exercise that actually affect different muscles. But it's still going to affect something. And once you do it correctly, it really doesn't matter. Yes, maybe you made a mistake. You think it's supposed to be about shoulders, it's about your pecs, I don't care. Of course, it's a slight mistake, but once you do it correctly, when there's no mistake in the way how you do it, then it really doesn't matter too much. So just use your imagination. Literally use your imagination, and then you can do whatever you want. You don't have to just stand up and do the exercise of standing up. Okay, you can also lay down. Same thing. If you want to be sure that they have a stable position, you can lay down, you can grab it, and you can do the same thing. What do you need to do? You need to go more times around so it's short enough actually, and effective, and then you can basically do the same damn thing. I don't care. As long as it makes some sense, as it affects pretty much what you want to work with, and as long as you have the right position. Every time, important thing, make it slow enough. If you're going to do it fast, you can be sure that most of your clients are going to do a lot of mistakes. They won't be able to control it. So make it slow, take your time to explain them the position. Take your time, because if they don't understand, if they cannot do it, then anything you're going to do, anything that's going to follow, it's going to be completely useless. God forbid it's going to be bad for them. It's going to make you hurt them. For me to be thinking about this. And then basically, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Guys, you can, I don't know, you can even work with your body. You can just hook it for the leg. And if it's short enough, which you can do, you can go maybe about the side, and you can basically stand. You can do whatever you desire, whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do, whatever. Or you can go down, you can hook it for a leg. The same way, work like this. Literally everything you ever did, working out on the trampoline, you can do it with this. Just remember, you need to have the correct position. And then it really doesn't matter what it's going to be. You want to be sure that they have the right position, just put them on the trampoline. Give them stable position. 3 points, then they are stable, and it's easier. Or you can even do it standing up. It will be more challenging for the core. You have to do it correctly. That's anything you want. Okay? Really, anything. I can go through the steps, but it won't make any sense, because there's literally hundreds of them. As long as you're going to obey basic rules, basic principles, you can do whatever you want. We tried it today. We tried it, we even boxed. Be careful. Makes no sense. Give them time to do it. Okay? I recommend you to do it first without, so you can at least see how they're doing it. Because if you're going to see this, it won't make any sense if you do this and they're going to still do the same stupid thing. You need to be sure that they understand how you're supposed to punch. If they never did boxing before, most likely they're not going to understand what you want from them. That the energy of the body needs to go with, and it's about the explosion. Generate the power and pump, pump, pump. And if you have this, then you have this in your arms, or you do it without. Guys, you can move shoulders. This way. This way. Okay? Again, here, just go down, down. If you cross it like this, and I was going right there, both arms are one go like this. There's literally hundreds of things you can do with rib, triceps, biceps, legs, squats. I don't know. Imagine that there's both of them, okay? Or just why would you snap? You jump on it. I'm jumping with 90 kilograms. I'm jumping on it. It doesn't snap. Yeah. Guys, don't worry. This isn't strong enough. You need to make extra. You can try it. You know what? Try it. Many people here put it there and then just try to push it if it's going to snap. Yeah. Most likely, if you do it and they go like this way, like just this. So this can go like this, and it won't snap. Okay, it won't snap. Guys, if you want to make like a super hardcore exercise, this one.
Careful your leg.
And put the legs go down. You can hook them there, and you will see what you will do. Normal experience, even hard. Put the arms there, and go all the way down. I cannot do that. Fuck! Well, I'm sorry. Just clean it down. I cannot do it. No, seriously, it's hard as hell. But you can do it if you hook your legs, and you go slowly. It will help you hold it. And you will gonna look like a badass, even though it's quite simple with that. Guys, so again, anything you want to do, you can do it with the box. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Yes. Because, again, I was thinking about it, and Rosalind asked me to tell you about something, to tell you about it. And I was thinking that if I'm going to do, and I'm going to go through the steps, it won't make any sense, because it will be just quick and fast, it won't make any sense. After, I hope you understand how we're supposed to do it, it's about the position of the body. And then, again, you can do whatever you want. There's no limitation. Yeah. You want to just sit here, just go like this, and be easier, why not? Standing up, why not? You can lay down, do the same damn thing, just lay down. Anytime, anything you want. You can hook it for your legs. Just up and down, higher and down. Literally hundreds and hundreds of options. This gives you so many options that it's even incredible. And I don't think that you will be able to do all of them, like in your life, because there's literally hundreds of things. Okay, so I hope everybody understood.